months ago, I got in a fairly bad jiu-jitsu injury and ended up macerating, which means smashing some of the medial meniscus. Didn't hurt any of the ligaments in particular, was in a lot of pain, lost a lot of flexibility. Basically dislocated my knee, smashed the meniscus, came here and did a regenerative therapy using stem cells with Dr. D. The stem cells have worked phenomenally, better than you could do with a surgery. And here's, I think, the reason why. And there's a number of stem cell places out there. The biggest one is a franchise called Regenerate. For half the price, less than half the price of those guys, come here, get the stem cell therapy, get your flexibility back probably in 10 days. Then I've been using these infusions of vitamin C, fairly high doses, 50 grams or 50 grams in each infusion, along with glutathione, which is part of the methylation or detoxification pathways, and an herbal anti-inflammatory. I've done this once a week since I had the infusion. Well, not since, but probably about 3 or 4 weeks after the stem cell injection. And that was about 10 weeks ago. Within 7 weeks I was skiing at Stowe. Not really hard. I just came back from 10 days in Whistler, and it was brutal conditions to fantastic conditions like Whistler is. I skied about as hard as I possibly could, and I had zero pain, zero. I did brace myself just for safety purposes, but honestly I didn't even need to do that. I skied my ass off. It was fun. I was painless. And I'm here again today just to keep the program up because, one, I think it's good for your health and vitality, but it has really helped my knee. And guess what? No knee surgery. No loss of meniscus that will ultimately lead to a degenerative process for you. A lot of meniscal repairs aren't repairs. They just cut it down, they shave it down with a shaver, they call it a shaver. They'll take 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% of your meniscus out. You'll feel great, but in 5 years, you'll have to have a knee replacement. I'm not getting a knee replacement. I'm 56 years old, and I'm going back out next week, and I'm going to Beaver Creek, coming back, and then I'm going to Mammoth Mountain, coming back, and then I'm going to Telluride, coming back, and I'm going heli skiing. I can do all that because of these guys and these guys only. Otherwise, I would have had to take probably the whole winter off, and I prepaid my winter, so I'm really happy with the care. You can't do better. The professionalism, sort of the uniqueness of the program, and the tolerance of Dr. D to manipulate the program, to personalize it so you get the best outcomes. And I've had a phenomenal outcome. So if you need to go someplace, these guys are the best. I don't want to say they're the least expensive as you're trying to commoditize this, but from a value standpoint, you couldn't do better.